Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Flutter project using VS Code. We'll start by ensuring you have the Flutter SDK installed and configured correctly. Then, I'll guide you through installing the essential Flutter and Dart extensions within VS Code, which are crucial for a smooth development workflow. These tools provide features like code completion, debugging, and hot reload, significantly boosting your efficiency. We'll cover creating your first project and running it on a device or emulator, making the initial setup straightforward and quick. One of the biggest advantages of using VS Code for Flutter is its incredible speed and flexibility. It's a lightweight editor that starts up in just a few seconds, allowing you to jump right into coding. The rich ecosystem of extensions, especially the official Flutter and Dart extensions, transforms it into a full-fledged IDE. These extensions offer intelligent code completion, syntax highlighting, and robust debugging tools, making the development process much more intuitive and less prone to errors. You'll find your productivity soaring with these integrated features. Getting your development environment ready is a straightforward process. First, download and install the Flutter SDK from the official Flutter website, which typically takes less than 5 minutes. Next, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for and install both the Flutter and Dart extensions. This usually takes under 1 minute. Finally, open your terminal and run the Flutter Doctor command. This command checks your setup and reports any missing dependencies, ensuring everything is correctly configured for a seamless development experience. To truly optimize your Flutter development workflow in VS Code, embrace its powerful features. Leverage built-in code snippets for common widgets like stateless widget or stateful widget, saving you dozens of keystrokes daily. Familiarize yourself with essential keyboard shortcuts for tasks such as opening files, navigating code, and running debugging commands. This can cut down your development time by 20%. Also, integrate Git for seamless version control directly within the editor, allowing you to commit changes and manage branches without leaving your coding environment. These practices will significantly enhance your efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.